This is ridiculous. Anyway, you can't even see what me digging through spices, but seasoned salt. Here we go, some pepper. I know I have some pepper, some more pepper. Tabasco sauce, probably mostly salt too. Pepper, here we go, more pepper. More pepper. I mean, this ain't gonna do much. Water peppers, Cholula. So, that's some pepper. Sweet baby rays. Red cayenne peppers, okay. Okay, use a couple of those. Alright, let's use some pepper. Add a little bit of pepper to that. And then, you know, see what it does. Look at that. That gourmet shot, PBS prime time cooking shot. Get the little sweet baby Ray's sauce going on in there. Shake that off. One more of them joints. Some Cholula hot sauce. Put some of that in there. That looks lovely. Looks like a nice viscosity. And some of this. Whoa. Enjoy pepper. Gotta have that pepper, man. Pepper is the spice of life. You don't really put nothing in these packets, so gotta use at least a few. The filling machine be a little stingy. Two more. Look, this one doesn't even have anything in it. That's what I'm talking about. Like, barely any pepper in there. Can you see that? Brand new pack. Like a sprinkle. They need to recalibrate that machine. And this was Enjoy too. Same stinking company. This pack feels a little low as well. Anyway, got that pepper out. Ugh. And then you know what? I'm gonna grab one pack of sugar. That crack. One pack of that white crack from White McCafe crack from McDonald's. Because, you know, it does make everything taste better. A little dose of the BTs. And then move this out. Then I think we're good to go. Look at that. That's gonna be just delicious. Put it in this magic cooker. Boom. put this magic top on here. It ain't about the easy bake oven, it's about the easy pressure cooker. That's what they should have been giving kids. Actually, you know what? I should do that. Like we had the easy bake oven in the 80s. We need to make the easy pressure cooker oven for the young kids coming up now. So what setting we want on this thing? Why isn't it plugged in? Gotta plug my pressure cooker in. Get my plugs going right. Get my plugs right. Plug that joint in. Come back over here to the controls. We got what we want: rice, multigrain or porridge. 20 minutes. Ooh, 40. 40 is way too long. Rice. Can I adjust this joint? Adjust? Nah, man. That ain't what. I was just gonna tip. Come on now. Can't be tipping on me. I gotta set this thing on something solid. As a rock, solid. Let's try to move this here a little bit more stable. Solid as a rock. All right, it's a lot better. You know what?